Good afternoon. Video message for Duncan. What crazy timing. It was just about to lash down with rain. Duncan, thank you for buying another saw. The beautiful 60142. It's going to be a great addition to your collection. And I will try to figure out how to post this absolute monster. I'll figure it out later on today, somehow with a courier. So I know I haven't done a video. I'll show her running one last time before I box her up. Okay. A break in the weather. Joke. So not been started for about a month. Let's see how she runs. Hurt my finger. So genuinely not started for over a month and just starts the same every time. And two of our older brothers and sisters came out to say goodbye in this video, but I bet they wish they hadn't now. It's lashing down with rain. Hope you love the saw, and I think anybody that knows this engine would probably say this, along with the Solo Rex, which you already have, a Super Rex, and the 60135. These, for their era, they're the best saws ever made. They're just fantastic. Just mammoth compression. I've never cut with her, but she's just hung up in pride of place. Just an amazing beast, and well, just an amazing engine. Duncan, many thanks again. Hope you love the saw, and I'll figure out how to pack her carefully. Bye for now.